Want to add your business location on Instagram? Here's a simple step-by-step guide to set it up correctly. First, open the Instagram app and tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner to open your profile page. If your account is still personal, you'll need to switch to a professional account first. Tap the three horizontal lines at the top right corner, then go to Account Type and Tools. At the bottom, tap Switch to Professional Account. Then tap Next, select any option that appears, and tap Switch to Professional Profile. Now choose Business Account instead of Creator Account, and continue the setup process. Once your account is switched, go back to your profile and tap Edit Profile. Scroll down to the Public Business Information section and tap Contact Options. Here, tap Business Address and enter your details like street address, city or town, and postal code. If prompted, confirm your business phone number. Then tap Send Code and enter the verification code you received from Instagram. Then tap Done. Finally, tap Save at the top. And that's it. Your business location will now be added and visible on your Instagram profile. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tutorials.